Hi, I'm Brenna Smith, and what motivated me to enter the Earth Day competition this year was that I just wanted to be able to help bring awareness to others through my work. Because in this day and age, like people aren't necessarily being notified or being enlightened about the situation in regards to how our world is now suffering to the effects of climate change. And I just really wanted to use a platform to show others and to help them to know that hey, this is like a real life thing and we have to be able to put stuff in place in order to save our planet. So through my piece, I just really wanted to display that so that the readers can have an understanding of the gravity of the situation, and that my intended message can be effectively brought across to others so that they can help to save our world and save our planet.